Hey there, finance enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of personal budgeting with Monarch Money, one of the smartest moves you can make is linking your credit cards. This simple process helps you track your spending in real time, avoid overspending, and stay on top of your financial goals. In this quick video, I'll guide you through the steps to get everything set up effortlessly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Monarch Money app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's super easy. Just download it from your app store and create a free account. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Add Account button, usually found in the bottom navigation bar or under a settings menu. Tap on it to get started. Next, you'll see an option to add a new account. Select Credit Card from the list of available account types. Monarch Money supports a wide range of banks and cards, so it should recognize yours quickly. Now, here's where it gets straightforward. You'll be prompted to enter your credit card details or connect directly to your bank's website. If you choose to connect via your bank, just search for your bank's name and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the link. This might involve logging into your bank's app or website for security purposes. Don't worry, it's all encrypted and safe. After that, Monarch Money will verify the connection, which usually takes just a few seconds to a minute. Once it's linked, you'll see your credit card balance and recent transactions pop up in the app. Pro tip: double-check that all your transactions are importing correctly, and if something's off, you can edit or categorize them manually. This step ensures your budget reports are accurate and helpful. And just like that, you're all set. Linking your credit cards to Monarch Money not only saves time but also gives you powerful insights into your spending habits. If you run into any issues, check the app's help section or contact their support. They're pretty responsive. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.